In this video we're going to talk a little bit about economical showering, the way to save money and water when you're showering. Now we're going to also mention electric showers, shower heads and shower mixers, but the first thing we need to talk about is just the things you can do that will cost nothing and save you money. Now the first one obviously is to try and take shorter showers. If you can cut your shower down by a minute every day, that's going to be a huge saving at the end of the year. Equally, if you can shower at say 1 degree less in terms of temperature, that will also make a big saving. And the other thing, of course, is to try and take less showers. I remember when I was an apprentice that we were working in a hotel in Edinburgh, and the hotel owner was really annoyed at the Americans coming in because they wanted a shower every day. Well, you just need to think about when you're showering and how often you're showering daily. That can save you money as well. So these are things that you can do that will cost you nothing and save you quite a lot. Of course, the obvious one, and I hate to be just this obvious, is you could shower with someone else. Electric showers are generally pretty efficient anyway, normally using something like 5 litres of water per minute. They only heat the water you actually use, and there's very little heat loss from inside the unit itself. They generally have 3 settings: a cold setting, a half power and a full power setting. Some of the manufacturers have cottoned on to this half power setting, and they've changed the little red line for a green one and put eco underneath it. It sounds like you're having an eco shower, but the truth is it's still actually just exactly the same as it was. It's working in half power. But in general, an electric shower is a pretty efficient bit of kit. We're now moving on to mixer showers. These can include really any type of mixer, this sort of thing, a bar mixer, gravity showers, power showers, basically all the other types of showers. Now the thing that goes wrong with these mostly is they start to drip. If they're dripping, the easiest thing to fix is it can be something as simple as a seal kit that costs very little. If a shower happens to be dripping hot water, then that's money down the drain. In the same way that the manufacturers have cottoned on to the sort of half power thing with the electric showers, that what they've done with the mixer showers, they've got a button like this. This is in the temperature side, but what they've done with a lot of them is put a green button in the flow control side, and exactly the same as the electric showers. When you turn this on, it only turns on halfway, then you press the button, and you get full power. So it's only on halfway, and they've called it the eco button. Larger mixers can be producing 12, 16, 18 litres per minute, a huge amount of water. And I think the next thing we need to look at is some of the shower heads, and this can help reduce the flow rate through the shower. Shower heads. These are fairly standard shower heads for electric showers. You can see the holes, the jets are quite small. This is a Myra one, and this is a Triton version. And say there's not terribly many jets in these heads. When you get to a power shower, you're using something like this, a head with much larger holes so it can have much greater flow rate through the head. Now, if you're trying to save money, what you can do is when you've got a mixer shower that's got a fairly high flow rate, you can swap it for this. Every manufacturer has their own versions of these, but this is Myra's Eco Head, and it lets a lot less water through. I can't say exactly how much because it depends on the pressure and the flow rate from your original shower, but this will certainly cut down the amount of water that's coming out of your shower if you've got a power shower. One other thing you can do with mixer showers is you can fit these. It's a flow limiter. And what these do is these go on the bottom of your shower. You screw them on where the hose is at the moment, and then this hose screws onto the bottom of these. These will fairly dramatically reduce the amount of flow through the shower and obviously save you money. Now you can't fit these to electric showers, and you should also stick with the manufacturer's shower head. If you put these onto an electric shower or change the head, it will invalidate the warranty, and of course it can cause other problems inside the shower as well. Now we've been talking a lot about the flow rates from electric showers and from power shower mixers. I think what we need to do now is to give you some idea how to check the flow rate that you're getting from your shower. What we need for this is we need to get the shower set up and running at its usual temperature and where you would normally have it set. You need a measuring jug, and basically pop the measuring jug underneath the shower for say 15 seconds. We then multiply that by 4, and it'll let us know how many litres per minute is coming out of the shower. This is our bench where we can set up different pressures and flow rates and temperatures. Here we're checking the flow rate for a Myra showerhead, an electric showerhead. It will fill the jug in about 15 seconds, and so therefore it will give us a flow rate of about 4 litres per minute. In the next clip we have 3 Myra heads, a power, an eco and an electric head. We're going to run these for about 10 seconds, and this will give you an idea of the difference in the performance levels. As you can see, the power shower head has got the jug nearly full already, and you can obviously tell the difference between the eco head and the electric head. We've talked about the different types of showers, the things you can do to save money, and to cut down the flow rate. We've talked quite a lot about flow rates in showers. There is a downside, however, and the downside is this, that if you've got long hair, I used to have, if you've got long hair, it will just take that bit longer to get the soap out your hair if you've cut the flow rate from your shower down. Also, if you've been gardening or cycling or doing something fairly strenuous and you come back with a sort of pulled muscle, there's not much better, frankly, than getting a really hot, powerful shower sort of beating down in the bit that's sore. Also, that these sort of things, that what happens is that people put them on and actually start to find out that they're not, when they lose the power and the pressure from the shower, that they become less than happy with their shower. So, whether you want to save money and reduce the flow rate from your shower, this is a jolly good idea. But then you might find out that it's not exactly what you were hoping for. It's your decision.